Okay, it's boss time, baby. Let's kill this freaking boss. Yeah. That was cool. What a noob. Wow, that's a cheap way to get rid of us. How come my freaking shoulders just glow like crap? Like on my camera. It's really shiny.
We must be in engineering. Miracle we didn't get killed.
Marcus, whoa, that's one big ugly motherfucker.
Cole, you see this shit? Where's your bird?
Man, we got a grandstand view. We're crossing the bridge right above the ship.
Any way you can kill this thing from where you are?
Put this scientifically. We need to blow his brains out of his ass.
We'll get Baron to come up with an idea. Come on, we've got to...
Do we go through here? Yeah, we do. Wow, come on. Talking to you, I was asking, do we go through here? Oh, I see, man. You're kind of hovering over the thing anyway, too. Can we jump over? Wow. That's gay.
Oh, wait, no, we have to stay in 5 minutes.
Oh crap. Did we shoot that? Oh yeah, wait, are we supposed to? No. What are we supposed to do? Oh, it was dropping polyps at us. Oh, I did not notice that. No. Well, yeah, probably. Oh my god. Holy crap, we are just being destroyed.
Comes back.
Marcus, while you were taking a break, the blind genius. Can you lower that
Alright,
bitch to the
yeah.
front end so we can give it a headache?
Animals just love me. Stand by, Cole.
Welcome. Alright, yeah, the door. Wait, whoa, what was that? Yeah, give me some. Thanks. Alright, let's do this. Yo, what are you doing?
We're gonna need a bigger... Let's use the 2 silver.
What's up? Did you see how James was taking running?
How is he running? OMG, we're about to die. Where are you? Oh.
Whoa, what the heck happened?
Oh, you died?
How did I die?
The freaking things are collapsing in a way. Things are like flying at us. Come on. Yeah, give me the ammo. Right here.
How much ammo do you have?
The other side.
60 ammo.
Let's use the 2 silver.
Yeah, the amount that you just gave me. That's the amount I have now. I'm joking. Well, actually, I didn't really know. I had like a little bit more, but...
Okay, the 2 silverbacks are in that bay. Let's get the door.
Oh, I found getting one.
Do we both get one?
Oh, right here.
What? Oh. Okay, so we only have 5 minutes left.
Who wants to drive? Who wants to cover?
What?
You think you only get one silver back?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you did.
Too late. Oh crap, what is it? Okay, now we're gonna kill it. 2 minutes, we have 5 minutes to kill this thing. Come on, we gotta hurry to kill it.
Keep shooting to the boot!
Oh man. I'll just pause it or something so I can hurry and put that there. No, I'm just gonna let this film finish. Freaking Owen. Oh, okay, now it's time to kill him again. Yeah, we gotta. Oh, yeah. The guy's going. Oh, no, it's not. Trying to freaking. We got a ton of bullets flying at his face. He's all like, oh yeah, I got the perfect idea, guys. Let's go kamikaze. I think that's their only battle strategy, just to go kamikaze. We have 3 more minutes left. So we gotta beat the time. There's a button to use rockets? No, I did not know that.
Only got 1 missile firing in position. You ready?
Yeah, give us a minute.
Tell Barry's just blowing shit up. Not like that goddamn safety.
Yeah, but we got our own problem up here.
Oh my god, this guy's so freaking hard to shoot.
Something up here if you don't get a move on.
We'll find some cover fast. Else you will be swimming in some curly creek.
Oh, yeah, we beat it. Nice, and we only have 2 more minutes left, so we get to watch the cutscene. Wow, why is it blurry? Wow, it just got blurry at no for my camera. Yes. So yeah, it was freaking blurry on the camera. So what just happened, what y'all all missed was a ton of tickers that they used, that they knocked over a box and they blew up the freaking Lambent fish guy. So 1 hour earlier. Oh yeah. Wait, what is that, a raven? Yeah.
Be quiet.
Someone's gotta be, with bears yapping all this.
Gag him if you like.
No, you don't.
Be my treat.
You be Cole.
Remind me why we
I know, you're a
was a
bear,
good
I
place to
think.
look for supplies. You gotta trust the soldier to find the goods. This is my turn. Who's turn?
Sam.
That's gonna come from right now.
The mother of the baby.
If we find something.
Roger that. Good hunting.
And that's gonna be the end of the walkthrough for this one. So wait, yeah, I think it's about to end, and yeah, so we only have like 1 more minute left. So yeah.
Alright, after this cutscene, we change the film.
All right, yeah.
Now.
So this
Yeah,
is
I'm gonna change it
holiday,
now.
Cole.